How to use WinRAR to extract files. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to use WinRAR to extract files. This is a full step-by-step guide, so let's get started. First thing first, you need to have WinRAR downloaded. You can get it from winrar.com. If you need help with the download and installation process, you can check out the other videos. Once you have got the WinRAR installed, you can open any RAR or zip file. Just double click on the file and it will open in WinRAR. Now here where's the magic happens. To extract the files, you need to simply click on Extract Files button. This will open a new window where you can choose where you want to extract the files. I'm going to extract them to my downloads, and next you will see it creates a new folder called Files. Make sure to keep the update mode on and extract and replace files, and set the overwrite mode to ask before overwrite. This way, if you accidentally make any changes, it will ask you for confirmation. And that's it. Another quick way to extract the files is to open the zip or RAR files, and then you can simply drag them to your desired locations. I am dragging to my desktop right now, and that's it. You have successfully extracted files using WinRAR. I hope this quick video helped you out. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.